Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can download the DoorDash app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app. So once you tap open your Play Store app, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply go in the search bar and type in DoorDash. So once you have typed it, you can find the DoorDash food delivery app. So simply tap on the install button. Once you're done, it will take a few minutes to get downloaded in your device. However, once the DoorDash app is completely downloaded in your device, it will start to get installed in your device as well. So once the installation process is also completed, you can find the open button right there. So you can even tap on it and open your DoorDash, or simply go in your home screen and tap open your DoorDash app. So this is how you download DoorDash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.